keep grinding, man. Stay out there, man. There's people hungry like you. Like remember, like in every town, there's somebody like me that's hungry, that's hustling, and I'm not gonna stop. So make sure you don't stop. Get out there, get to researching, get to finding those things that you need for your business. Find things at good price points that work for you and your business model, and get to it. Get to those clients.
Love, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Love it how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing love. This for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Keep grinding, man. Stay out there, man. There's people hungry like you. Like remember, like in every town, there's somebody like me that's hungry, that's hustling, and I'm not gonna stop. So make sure you don't stop. Get out there, get to researching, get to finding those things that you need for your business. Find things at good price points that work for you and your business model, and get to it. Get to those clients, man. If you don't have enough clients, get on the phone and start calling clients. Start finding email addresses. Start writing emails, and start offering your service to people. The more people you offer your service to, the more customers you're gonna have. And while you're doing that, build those relationships. If people say no or not right now, look, keep those relationships. In commercial cleaning, specifically commercial cleaning, these are long time customers. Like people don't change janitors or commercial cleaning companies for decades at a time. You have to either have someone like replace you with their cousin or someone they know, or really be messing up bad in these accounts in order to lose an account. Like most accounts keep their commercial cleaners or janitors for 10, 15, 20 years at a time. So you get a big one and you're going to have that revenue for a long time. As long as you do your job, as long as you show up every night or every time there's service, as long as you do well, you're going to have these accounts for a long time.
Boss fam, really quick, shout out to everyone who's been reaching out to me and let me know that you've been filling up your calendar and booking walkthroughs and making more money in your cleaning business using the cold sales template that I put out earlier this month. No one is happier for you than me. If you don't have a cold sales system in your commercial cleaning business, then this is a great resource for you. The link is in the description under cold call sales template. There's some bonus information that comes with it about how you can start thinking about automating this system as well. At a heavy discount for the first 100 users, go check it out. The link is in the description. Let's get back to the video.
It's very low turnover on that side. It's high turnover as far as employees, but customers keep commercial cleaners for a long time. When it's all said and done, lifetime value of customers is in the millions for commercial cleaning. So, you can never learn enough, that's for sure. Yeah, it doesn't end. Learning in business, any business, whatever business you do, you will constantly be learning. You got to wear, especially as the CEO or the owner, you got to wear so many hats. You need to be very knowledgeable in every aspect of the business so that you can make the hiring decisions. So you can know when people are bullshitting you. Like you have to learn. Like there's no way around it. You're always going to be learning. There's always going to be new things. There's always going to be new technology that comes out. There's going to be new marketing strategies, marketing changes every couple of months. You're always going to be learning. So don't let that stop you. Always be ready to learn, be ready to adjust, and be humble enough to know that you don't know everything. There's never a point where you're going to know everything. So stay humble, and that's going to allow you to have longevity in this business. So I actually submitted a proposal and used your template. I almost finished remixing to my company. If you haven't changed it to all of your company stuff, how are you using the template, man? Don't get caught, because they'll call you out and it looks real unprofessional. If you got like my employees with Gico Commercial Cleaning on their shoulder, on their patches, and your company name is something different, it looks very stock imagey, and it can be the reason why you don't get the business. You are doing business with other business people, successful business people. If they have a building that needs to be cleaned and they're in a building big enough for you to be trying to clean it, these aren't dumb people. These are people that have been doing business for a while, or people that have money and know what good business looks like. So don't try to pull one over on them. Don't use stock images, because they know what stock images are. Don't use other people's pictures that don't match your branding, because it's a mismatch. It doesn't flow well together, and these people pick up on that. And when they see that, they see mom and pop shop, or they see, unprofessional. So make sure you are getting your media right. That's out the gate. It's free. You should not be messing that up. So you download the template, my proposal template. If you guys don't know, I have a cleaning proposal template. If you don't have a way to present your business to potential clients, it's not a contract, but it's a way where you can kind of show your offer and what you're going to be doing, and present the pricing in a way that's a little more professional and a little easier on the eyes. I have a proposal template. I'll put it down in the description. It's in the description of all my other videos, though. So click on one of my other videos, download the proposal, and you can use it. But make sure you change my marketing to yours, my branding to yours. Change all the pictures out. Change all the colors out to your colors, and and use it for yourself. My gift to you guys. But make sure you have your own branding to use with it, because you mess that up and it doesn't look cohesive. So the template, you got lost. How'd you get lost in a 10-page template? Is it confusing somewhere? Let me help me make it better. What got you lost? At what part did you get lost in? So maybe I need to go in and make something a little bit more systematized. So help me help you. Help me make it a little bit better. Where did you get lost at on the proposal template? So let's see. Do you use any tools on a walkthrough, like a laser? iPad has measuring tool. I just started using. Student Review TV. What tools do I use? Actually, if you guys, I'll show you. 1 second. Grab this. This is the tool that I use. It's just a little measuring walking stick. This thing just stands out, stick it on the floor. It rolls, and as it rolls, you'll see the numbers change. It's measured in feet. So measure length, width, boom, got the area. Super easy. We got like 12 of these laying around the office in the shop, so that people can go out and do quotes. And I don't need to use I don't have to worry about an iPad software. Those are like $12 at Home Depot. I keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it cheap, keep costs down, keep the processes easy. They take measurements, they type it into our little Excel spreadsheet, what the measurements are, what the shape of the room is. It spits out the square footage, which, depending on the facility type, it'll pick their appropriate production rate, and it'll spit out the number that we use for pricing, because everything's just dialed in like that now. So that's the tool I use for measuring properties. I thought about doing that, like using my phone's LiDAR scanner, or like a 3D recreation to try to come up with pricing, but all of that stuff is just extra work for nothing. So I just use the measuring stick, and we rock with that. Keep it simple.
For anyone looking for proper mentorship on how to grow your cleaning business, I highly recommend DJ The Boss. Before we started talking and meeting with DJ, we were actually struggling a little bit with collecting payments from our clients. We had a little bit of struggles with hiring, and when we started talking to DJ, we noticed a big shift in our business. And anyone that's looking to grow their business has to talk to DJ The Boss, man. I highly recommend it.